Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The 2025 HMCS Halifax FFH 330 represents the latest evolution of Canada's long-serving Halifax-class frigates, and in this script we'll break down what makes this upgraded version stand out in today's naval landscape. This ship has been the backbone of the Royal Canadian Navy for decades, but the 2025 modernization brings it into a completely new era of capability. Think of it not as an old vessel patched with new pieces, but as a platform rebuilt for the digital age, smarter, sharper, and far more adaptable. When you look at the ship from a distance, it may feel familiar, with the same recognizable silhouette the class is known for, but almost everything inside has been enhanced, from sensors to propulsion to combat systems. The goal of this review is to explain how those upgrades translate into real-world performance, not just for military enthusiasts but for regular viewers who simply want to understand why this ship matters. One of the first things to highlight about the 2025 HMCS Halifax is its hybrid identity, part warrior, part scout, and part multi-tool. In naval terms, frigates are designed to be extremely versatile, able to switch roles depending on mission needs. That flexibility is something Canada has always emphasized, and this new iteration strengthens that philosophy even further. The ship's advanced radar and sensor suite allow it to act like the eyes and ears of a fleet, detecting threats far beyond the horizon. It brings together long-range air search radar, advanced surface tracking systems, and improved sonar chains that give it a much better grasp of what's happening both above and below the waterline. For anyone wondering why this matters, the short answer is survival. In modern naval operations, the side that sees first usually wins, and Halifax's upgraded sensors push it toward the front of that competition. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the ship really earns its reputation. The propulsion system retains the classic combined diesel or gas turbine configuration, but the 2025 upgrades have optimized fuel efficiency and power management. This isn't just good for long voyages, it also means the ship can sprint at high speeds when necessary without burning through fuel too quickly. The ability to switch quietly into low-signature cruising mode is particularly important in anti-submarine missions, where even small amounts of noise make a difference. Viewers often imagine naval battles as loud explosive events, but in reality, much of naval warfare is about stealth, subtlety, and positioning. The 2025 Halifax takes that idea seriously, using a quieter propulsion profile and upgraded hull dampening materials to reduce noise emissions, making it harder for enemy submarines to detect. Speaking of submarines, one of the standout features of this ship is its suite of anti-submarine warfare tools. The Halifax class has always been strong in this area, but the 2025 model steps it up with an upgraded towed array sonar, more sensitive hull-mounted sonar, and improved processing systems that filter out ocean noise more efficiently. What this means in practice is better submarine detection at greater ranges, even in challenging waters. Combine that with the ship's helicopter, typically a CH-148 Cyclone equipped with its own sensors and torpedoes, and you get a truly powerful layered anti-submarine capability. For a country like Canada, with vast coastlines and a commitment to NATO operations, this is a vital advantage. When discussing the ship's combat capabilities, viewers should think of the Halifax not as a battleship but as a high-tech defender. The 2025 model carries upgraded surface-to-air missiles, improved close-in defense systems, and more modern naval guns capable of engaging fast-moving targets. One of the major upgrades lies in its fire control system, which now integrates data from multiple sensors in real time, allowing the ship to respond faster and more accurately to incoming threats. This matters in an age where threats can come from missiles, drones, small fast boats, or even cyber intrusions. The ship's new electronic warfare suite adds another layer, able to jam or mislead hostile sensors and create protective electronic shields around the vessel. Essentially, the ship not only fights with weapons, it fights with information. Design-wise, the 2025 Halifax maintains the rugged, cold-water-friendly build the class is known for, but subtle refinements make the ship more efficient. The superstructure incorporates materials that reduce radar reflectivity, helping the ship blend more easily into background sea clutter on enemy screens. The upgraded communications mast, which looks more streamlined than past models, isn't just aesthetic, its shape and placement help reduce interference between systems. The deck layout now supports more modular mission containers, meaning the ship can take on different equipment depending on deployment needs, whether that's humanitarian supplies, additional drones, or specialized surveillance gear. It's a design philosophy borrowed from modern European navies, and it makes the Halifax far more adaptable than before. One aspect that often gets overlooked in reviews is crew experience. The 2025 Halifax wasn't only upgraded for combat, it was upgraded for the sailors who operate it. The living quarters have been modernized with better climate control, more comfortable accommodations, and improved digital connectivity. Workstations across the ship now operate more like modern digital consoles rather than old analog panels, reducing fatigue and improving response efficiency. Even training systems on board, including simulated threat environments, make the ship a floating classroom where the crew can rehearse complex scenarios without real-world risk. These improvements might not be as flashy as missile systems, but they make day-to-day life on the ship more humane and operations more effective. Another unique selling point of the 2025 Halifax is its commitment to interoperability. The Royal Canadian Navy often works alongside NATO allies, so the ship's communication systems are designed to match standards used by other modern fleets. Whether it's linking radar feeds with an American destroyer or coordinating submarine tracking patterns with European partners, the Halifax can plug into joint operations smoothly. This ability to speak the same digital language gives the ship much more value in international missions, from peacekeeping to anti-piracy operations. Drone integration is also a major modernization highlight. The 2025 Halifax supports both aerial and surface drones, expanding its surveillance range without putting crew at risk. These drones can scout coastlines, inspect unknown vessels, or gather environmental data far beyond visual range. Think of them as extendable sensors that hover, fly, or glide away from the ship to bring back critical intelligence. With threats evolving rapidly in maritime environments, this adaptability helps keep the Halifax relevant. In summary, the 2025 HMCS Halifax isn't just an upgraded ship, it's a transformed one. Its advanced sensors give it extraordinary vision, its propulsion and noise reduction upgrades strengthen its stealth and endurance, and its combat systems keep it competitive in modern naval engagements. Add in improved crew living conditions, mission modularity, drone integration, and strong interoperability with allies, and you get a ship that continues to serve as a core asset for Canada's naval strategy. It's a vessel designed not only to tackle the challenges of today but to remain flexible enough for the unpredictable challenges of tomorrow.